So this tutorial you will learn that how you mask your polygon by your point or GPS location file. So what I telling you that, let's say in this area or in this zone I have how many polygons? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. And if you look uh, that just 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 polygons are or overlapped by point data. This is my actually GPS location point, and this location point is my actually tree species. Let's see your so you are my attributes table. Actually this is my species data, the name of the each species. Okay, and this file actually this is my just polygon of each tree. So what I need, I just need only those point cover, those point have a polygon. Actually those point covered a tree polygon. So this file I want to just mask. And one another thing I want to add this case is that the strip actually in this file I have no tree species. Okay, there is no just I have a polygon, just I have a polygon data, have no tree species. But in my GPS data I have a actually species information. So what I want to try that, first you mask my polygon by your by my GPS data, and also the species information will added to this polygon layer. Okay, and what we I am telling to you that just should create another attribute table that is species name, and all the species name will add to this polygon layer. Okay, which is coming from this point GPS field survey data. Let's try it how it is happened. Okay, so what I am telling to you that there is a what I am writing that three cone mass by overlapping GPS field. This code actually is for single file process, and I want to show you this is how it works for multiple files. So first of all I'll show you the directory where the all cone polygon or tree polygon is stored. That means this three file is okay, 1 2 3, and this CPS file is stored in these cases. Okay, that's why I am calling my point data file and then my cron directory file, and this is the output file directory. Let's say I just show you this is SPP's file is empty. At the initially it is now empty, and now I run this code. Just wait for some seconds and we will get some interesting result, because without this coding you cannot handle manually. Uh, it take lots of time if you're doing it manually, so rather than if you okay fine check. Okay, fine, just call the name of this file is same. Okay, just upper 3 is then my new process data. let's say just follow it and create a different color, and last one this, and then check it what happened. So actually in these cases, this is my file name is 100 id 42 comment. So red is the initial stage, initial file name, which is before the pre-process. Okay, after that I process where I get this yellow file, just off this one. So now you can see that just those tree have GPS point cover, those polygon have covered GPS point, that point are, that polygon are extracted. Okay, and now this there is some extra polygon there was, but it is not coming. Okay, fine. And another thing is there is another column which is check, there is column which is added to here, but if you check this one, there was no column. Okay, there is no column, but in this case there is a column, and you can check it, is this name is right way, I mean your previous. Okay, I just show you the name. This is actually actual name, field name, and if I label it and let's check, this is maple 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 broadleaf broadleaf cherry cherry. So each information of the GPS point is coming to your polygons, that I want to show you. Okay, fine.